name is Mikayla Snow. I recently took a trip to Harry Potter World and it was super amazing. So I thought I'd show you guys some looks that were Harry Potter themed. So I'm going to be showing you how I did my makeup and also just some costume ideas, and like even just like wearing this cute little hat is like a chic witch kind of look. Anyway guys, let's get into the tutorial. So first, I'm starting out with a great base of moisturizer because we're going to be packing on foundation. Now I'm just applying primer to my problem areas to make sure my foundation stays in place. Now for my foundation, I'll be mixing 2 shades to get that perfect shade and to make sure I'm fully covered. Then just taking my beauty blender to blend everything out to make sure I have a nice even base. Now I'm just applying my favorite concealer on the high points of my cheeks and down the bridge of my nose to bring some more life into my face. And then again, using my damp beauty blender to blend everything together so it has a seamless finish. Now that we have our base done, it's time to lock it in with some no color powder. This will ensure that all of our hard work doesn't go to waste. And now that our base is finished, we can carve out our brows with some intense brow gel. Since this look is pretty intense, I'm going to be using some tape to help me carve out the shape of this eye look. For this look, you're going to want to start off with a gorgeous base of red all over and just blend that baby out beautifully. And then once you're finished blending, be sure to carefully peel off the tape and it'll leave behind a beautiful straight line to help guide your eyeliner. Then I'm just using my beauty blender to buff out any fallout. Now that that's all blended out, we're going to take a concealer on a little flat brush to create a cut crease. Now I'm just taking a jelly highlighter to apply that to my lid where we created that base, and it's really gonna pop. Then I'm taking some more red on the bottom of my lash line just to help add some cohesion to my eyeball. Now I'm just doing a nice wing liner, and if you struggle with this, I have a full depth tutorial that you can find on my channel. Later, I will be applying a liquid lip, so right now I want to moisturize my lip with this tinted lip balm. And to help give this look a little bit of a more witchy vibe, I've added in my green contact lenses. Now I'm just priming my eyelashes with my favorite mascara, and then to help with the vibe of this look, I'm adding some extreme eyelashes. Now let's take a break from the eyes for a moment and work on the face, and I'll be using my favorite bronzer to liven up my complexion and contour a little bit down my nose. Now I'm just highlighting with one of my favorite highlighters, but unfortunately it was discontinued, so I will link a similar one down in the description for you guys. Now for some finishing touches, I'm taking my favorite liquid lipstick and carefully applying it to my lips. And then to make my eyes really sparkly and special, I'm applying a gold liquid eyeliner to my lids and a little sparkle in the inner corner. And there you have it guys, that's the finished makeup look, but now we have to move on to the hair and the outfit. And now for the wig, you might have noticed that my hair was in some messy Dutch braids, and for me, this is the best way I can fit a wig over all of my hair. So I just like to take both strands and wrap them behind my head, making them as low as possible, and then securing the tails with a bobby pin, then repeating with the other tail. And when you look at it from the back, it kind of resembles milkmaid braids, and that's exactly how you want it to look. So your hair will be the flattest against your head, so it won't look like you have a huge giant head under your wig. I like to start with brushing out my wig just so it looks a little bit more natural, but you have to be pretty careful with these affordable wigs. This one was about $13, so it's not the most expensive kind of wig, you know, but for our purposes, it'll work. The bangs on this one were a little bit funky, but eventually I got it to look a little decent and is somewhat believable if you wear a hat. But obviously this is just a cosplay, so wigs are pretty apparent. So for my outfit, I do have a Hogwarts Gryffindor scarf, but I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret that I'm not sure if I'm a Gryffindor or a Ravenclaw, because every time I do the Pottermore quiz, I either get Ravenclaw or Gryffindor, so it's a little confusing, but I love them both. But I already had a Gryffindor scarf, so this makes it easy. I also do have a cute little Harry Potter glasses kit, and it did come with a tie, but let me tell you guys, ties are not my forte. It's a struggle. I had to look up a video, and I don't even think I got this one right because it was pretty affordable, so it's not like a pretty strong tie, but eventually I did get it to look a little decent. Did I do it? I feel like this is not Gryffindor. This is like purple. This is not Gryffindor color, right? This is purple, not red. It's soft! It's like soft like a real robe. That's not what I expected. Oh, oops. Oops. What is that? What is that? Ooh, it's too hot in here for this. And the air conditioner just turned on because it hates me. I'm living out all my Harry Potter dreams right now. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Ah! I'm feeling so happy right now. You don't even know. You don't even know, boy. And there we have it, guys. This is my Harry Potter Hogwarts student-inspired cosplay. Recently, I've been listening to the books on audio and watching the movies, and it just feels so great to kind of escape to that reality right now, because right now we really need it, and it's just so much fun to dress up like your favorite characters and kind of live in that world for a day. This video was so much fun to make, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys would like me to do some more cosplays, comment down below your favorite characters and I'll see what I can come up with. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.